Chapter 4. Chart Window Properties. You can access the chart window properties either by pressing F8, or you can have them displayed at the bottom of the drop-down menu in the chart window by right-clicking. In the Colour tab, you can adjust the colour properties according to your preferences. By clicking the Common tab, you will have additional options, such as changing the display type of the chart or adjusting the scale of the displayed chart, or enabling or disabling the chart shift or auto scroll. The most important feature of this tab is the Display Adjustment section, where you can enable the display of the OHLC indicator. This indicator will display the values of open, high, low and close prices for a specific time period. You can have the ask line displayed, which shows you the current ask price, and it is displayed as a red line by default. Another option is to see the object's description by ticking the Show Object Descriptions. By pressing Reset, you may bring the settings back to default state. Thank you for watching.